This is elevator A at the Michael Rockefeller Arts Center at SUNY Fredonia in Fredonia, New York. I'm not sure what this was originally, but it was sadly modernized by Bison with Innovation Universal. White LEDs. It's a very dark elevator. There's no directional chime. It's a fully flush swing return though. It's 3 here we go. I'm not sure when this was modernized. Here at 3. It's open. Back on 1. It's a basic stainless steel cab with pot lighting, but it is a very dark, dimly lit cab. You need to adjust the LEDs a little bit on this. This one just has like regular innovation key switches and have all the best locks. And back on 1. It's a Bison. And there is another elevator down the hallway there, and that's gonna be it.